Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 12S, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's start with opening the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the gestures navigation, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center. Hold your finger somewhere here and release it, and then you should see the recents. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, it is even easier. Just tap on this button with the square icon. And here we've got the recents. All you have to do is to either swipe them up, like that, or if you want to close all, just tap on this trash bin icon. We've got this information. Also, we can enter recents again to check. Be aware, because sometimes your device will leave the last app opened, but no worries, all you have to do is to swipe it up, just like that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.